What's the meaning of arbitrator? Arbitrator. Arbitrator.
Arbitrator. Arbitrator. An arbitrator is a neutral third party that is designated to settle disputes between two or more parties. The arbitrator acts as a private judge and makes a binding decision on the matter at hand, which is called an arbitration award. Unlike mediation, arbitration proceedings are typically more formal and structured, with each side presenting evidence and arguments to support their position. The end result of arbitration is the resolution of the dispute, with the losing party being bound by the decision of the arbitrator.